Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the median with the discrete series. Calculation of median in a discrete series, following steps are involved. First, arrange the data into ascending or descending order. Second, convert the simple frequency of the series into a cumulative frequency, that is CF, and determine the n plus 1 upon 2 in the item of the series n being equal to summation f. And fourth, find the median value corresponding to the n plus 1 upon 2 the item. Here are the following example: size 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and frequency 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, 10, 8, 6. Now we convert the frequency into ascending or descending order. After putting the size and frequency, we add n is equal to 75. Then we convert the frequency into cumulative frequency, means 2 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 13 plus 10 23, 23 plus 12 35, 35 plus 16 51, 51 plus 10 61, 61 plus 8 69, 69 plus 6 is equal to 75. Then we use the determine the formula n plus 1 upon 2, that is n is equal to 75 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 38, size of the 38 item. So it showed that median value corresponding to the 38 item in the series, this item appear in the first of all in the 51 cumulative frequency of the series. Therefore the median value be corresponding to the 51 cumulative frequency, which is 7. So median is equal to 7. Now frequency distribution series and the median. The calculation of median in the continuous series involve the following steps. First, the data are arranged in ascending or descending order of the class interval. The frequency are the converted into a cumulative frequency. The median class of the series identify it corresponding to that cumulative frequency which include n by 2 items, and the following formula is applied to determine the actual median value, that is m is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into I. Here L1 is the lower limit of the median class, Cf's cumulative frequency of the class prescribed the median class, f is equal to frequency of the median class, I is equal to size of the median class interval. Let's take one example. Wage rate are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the number of workers 22, 38, 46, 35 and 20. Now we converted the frequency into cumulative frequency, that is 22 plus 38 60, then 106, then 141, then 161, and we add frequency, that is summation f is equal to n is equal to 169 161, that is m is equal to size of n upon 2 item is n is equal to summation f is equal to 161. The means 161 upon 2 is equal to 80.5 item, and 80.5 item lies in the 106 cumulative frequency. The class interval of corresponding to this cumulative frequency is 20 to 30, and which is therefore is median class interval, that is the value of median must be within a range of 20 to 30, and the following formula applied to identify the exact value of the median. We put the value on the formula, means L1 is equal to 20, n upon 2 161 upon 2 minus 60, and f is equal to 46 into 10. 10 is a class interval. Then we calculate the answer, we will find 24.46, that is the median. Like that, when the series are given in the inclusive series, we first converted into the inclusive series into the exclusive series. Thank you.